Welcome to Las Casas Filipinas de Acuzar in Quezon City. Dito may kita mo yung heritage charm ng old Filipino Spanish houses. Perfect blend of history and culture. So kung gusto niyo ma-experience ang old world charm without leaving the city, check out Las Casas QZ.
Super ganda dito guys, as in. Ang peaceful sa pakiramdam. After ng nakakapagod na work, ang sarap ditong mag-unwind. Sarap, sobra. Ito talaga Pinoy na Pinoy. Talagang maraming makaka-relate dito kasi halos lahat to naging laruan din talaga dati. Ayan, favorite ko din yan. Lagi yan meron sa labas ng school eh. Meron pa kayong mga nakastick na talaga. Ay, talagang malaki na! Sobrang cute! Kasi hindi na para sa akin to. Gusto ko sanang bumili. Kasi wala akong kapatid. Cute! Thank you, Kuya. Life in the Philippines is all about community, creativity, and joy in the simple things. This is home for us, and now you've had a peek into it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.